guys, welcome to a new video. So today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of my room. By the way, if you want to see the room makeover video, then I'll have that linked down below. Basically, I'm just going to be showing you how it all turned out and telling you guys where everything is from. So let's get into it. I guess we can start right here because we're already here. So this is my dresser area and it's pretty simple, but it's very Christmassy. I love how it turned out. So I have my wreath here that I got from IKEA. I attached the ornaments to it myself with some green ribbon. It's very simple, but I think it looks really good. Below that, I actually put a kitchen towel because it kind of needed something in this area. It was a little plain without it. I have a poinsettia. It's fake, so yeah, that doesn't really matter. Anyways, got that from IKEA as well, and then I put a candle on each side. This one is candy cane, and then we have just a regular candle over there. Behind that, I put some lights and some little ornaments on a twine that I made myself, and some silver twine. Here we have my Christmas tree. I got it from Hobby Lobby last year. I got it slim, so it's able to fit in my room better, and I think it is 6.5 feet tall because I'm 5'11" and still taller. So anyways, I put on some red ornaments that I got from IKEA, and then it also has some silver ornaments from Hobby Lobby, as well as some extra ornaments like some little angels, and then the pine cones that it already has are already pre-attached. So there's my tree. Also, the tree topper is from Hobby Lobby. Next up, we have my desk area. I just added a few Christmassy things to kind of spice it up a little bit. So here I have another poinsettia, and then below that I put some wooden coasters. Behind that I have silver tinsel with some fairy lights. And then over here I have a mini Christmas tree from IKEA with some mini ornaments that are also from IKEA. I put a wood slice under it. On my whiteboards and this thing I just added some
Christmas prints.
Christmas prints, basically. These are ones that I cut out of a sheet of Christmas paper, and then that's a Christmas
It's kind of like an advent calendar.
Yeah,
There's
it's the 12 days of Christmas.
And
then I have a Christmas card. I actually got this from the dollar section. It was a pack of like 12 for $1. So you can get some really good deals there. Then on the shelf above, I have some really cute stuff. So over there I have a mini Christmas tree. It's like one that would go in a snow village. I got it from Target last year in the dollar section. And next to that I have a snowman and a little Christmas candle. In the corner I have this kind of like lantern.
Yeah, it's a lantern.
IKEA. And next to that is a vase with some little Christmassy arrangements, flowers and decorations. So yeah, and then we have another one of the mini trees and a little snow globe. Here we have my bed. I have a garland on top of it that is from Target, and then we have this bedding. I don't remember exactly where it's from. The Container Store? No. Well, if I remember it,
Pottery Barn.
I will state it down below. My throw blanket is from IKEA. For my throw pillows, I just have some random ones. I got this throw pillow cover from IKEA. This one also from IKEA, and then this one's from Target, and I think this is from Sears. Now we have the bookshelves over here, and these I didn't really do that much to. I kind of just added some ornaments and small little decorations, pine cones, another Christmas tree, and then this that I made myself. That's that. Pretty simple. We're going over here to my clothing rack. I just wrapped some lights and tinsel again. Did that to a lot of places in my room. For the clothing, I just added all my Christmas clothes basically, and anything that was red, black, or white, as you can see. And here we have my throw pillow holder from Target. In this corner, I put a Christmas tree on my side table. I don't remember, or I actually don't know where this Christmas tree is from because I got it.
We've had it forever.
Yeah, we've had it for so many years. So anyways, I just put on the ornaments from IKEA, the mini tinsel from IKEA, and this mini tree topper that my sister actually made herself. Oh, and then for the tree mat, I didn't have one, and it looked kind of dull without it. So again, I just used a
kitchen towel. Woo!
A really good way to just DIY it for small trees. The last thing is I hung up a stocking from Hobby Lobby. That's this whole area. That's pretty much my whole room. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was probably pretty quick.
There's only so much you can say about a room that's decorated for Christmas. It's pretty self-explanatory for the most part.
Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on my socials if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!